走路啊，如果你走，不是讲这样靠近，但是其实走路是完全
你的大曼那个前面
就
那边，
你从大曼走出来，然后再走多几，走多一条小路这样子。
哇，好哦。
我很久没有去了啦。所以再贡献我一点啊，谢谢你啊。OK，来，这张。Today we want to study about this characteristic of solar phenomena. So this part we're going to start with prominence. Okay, so you can read about prominence.
我可能不敢玩这个游戏，这个评论区讲个想听他被车撞的声音。名字。
我们的花雅是什么？花雅是没人分享这个出承诺。什么
OK，来。
你还没跟我们讲，那之后有一天我撞车死了，叫你们。哇，没人分享是什么
Okay, prominence
？Okay.
Prominence we call it the 自冕物物质喷发。This one take note is the projection of giant gases. They are actually gases from the sun. We already know that sun is something like a gas ball. Understand? So when it is hot, it actually expand. You know what's the meaning of expand? 膨胀. And then the thing just like projected out. Okay? 喷出来. So they will look like a giant flame. You know what's a flame, right? 火焰travel at a high speed. Alright. And they also make some arches. Curling. By gravity. Okay? Toward the chromosphere by gravity of the sun. Now next one, granules. Yuquan, can you read about granules? 他给我的勾不到。35,000. Granules are 太阳耀板 So these granules are either small thing small little thing only. Okay, so it is 1,000 kilometer across 哪里有拱门？那个字是读门字，因为它的那个楷书不一样门拱门。Okay, then we have granules 1,000 kilometer across meaning to say the diameter 买的。
diameter 是一半。
它的 diameter 是 about 1,000 kilometer across. Okay. So this one is actually due to the convection of gas, meaning to say your gas is like flowing, understand at that zone. Okay. So the larger granules, you see larger granules, you can see 35,000 kilometer across, meaning to say about the diameter is about 35,000 kilometer. Okay, these are called the super granules. Okay. Now this one, granules is like circle 这样子的圈圈的 understand something like that I don't know granules. Okay, can So the next one will be sunspot. Ping Hai, can you read about sunspot? Umbras? Penumbras.
Sunspot are caused by the magnetic field of the sun. Sunspots occur in cycles as the sunspot cycle of solar activity. Several days, weeks, or months.
Okay, so this sunspot is 太阳黑子. So 太阳黑子 is actually a dark spot. Means when we see, right, it's black in color. Okay, blackish in color. But then, surprisingly, they are not hot. They are actually the cooler place around the sun. Okay, so that's why they are less brighter than the rest of the place. 它的东西很多的。来 ，next sunspots. Sunspots is actually caused by magnetic field. 它是太阳的磁场它的磁场。And then sunspot occurs in cycle. So we know it as a sunspot cycle. This one you all must remember 太阳黑子的那个循环Okay, sunspot cycle or solar activity cycle. Okay, so sometimes there are several days, sometimes there are weeks, there are also months. Okay. So next one, we're talking about solar cycles or in photosphere. 圣杰 read this solar cycle. Solar cycle.
the cycle are regular cycle that move by increasing and decreasing number of transport. A big cycle is about
Mm.
the time when many large transport appear is for transport maximum. The period between the transport maximum is for transport at minimum. Corona, solar flares, and sudden eruptions of gases near an active transport. And ultraviolet ray and X-ray. Corona.
Oh. Corona, you go where already? Okay, solar cycle only solar cycle occurs in photosphere. Okay, solar cycle 我已经跟你讲太阳的循环啊。So that is we check the pattern okay, of increasing and also decreasing number of sunspots. So one solar cycle is about 11 years, 11年一个 solar cycle. So solar cycle when there is a lot of sunspot, we call it sunspot max. And the other one is when it is the minimum, we call it the sunspot mini. Okay, so solar flares. Okay, this is 闪焰 solar flares. This one is like a flare, it suddenly erupt. Okay, then they will emit ultraviolet rays, 紫外线还有 X-ray. So this one is a bit harmful. All right, the next one will be CME and also solar wind. Alia, can you read this too? CME and also solar wind. Alia 都there. Okay. Warong? So not there. Wait, right? Last two. Corona and also solar wind. Okay, so CME is suddenly something like a cloud of plasma. So what is plasma? Plasma is actually charges 电的 charge. Hello, suddenly come out from the sun. Emit 的意思是出来的意思from the sun together with the solar flare. So CME they are highly charged wind, solar wind, 太阳风。对，然后所以不要乱去吹风。So like to the earth, I can cause destruction. This one can kacau our radio signal. What is radio signal? When you are listening to what my FM lah, rock FM lah ke apa. Okay, solar wind. This solar wind is actually a continuous stream of plasma blowing away from the corona at a supersonic speed. Okay, this one is plasma flying away. Okay, so inside is a content of protons and also electrons. So now see our solar wind actually interact with Earth magnetic field and then they form something called magnetosphere. Can solar wind and also Earth magnetic field 它跟我们地球的磁场产生反应所产生一个东西叫做 magnetosphere. Okay? Okay, come Earth magnetosphere. 千辉 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, listen here. Earth magnetosphere, listen here. Magnetosphere, we call it 磁层磁层 means layers of 磁场 layers of magnetic field. Layers of magnetic field. Okay, so okay, our Earth itself is actually a very huge magnet, but we have a north pole and also a south pole. And your magnetic field around the Earth will interact with the solar wind and then form this magnetosphere, which looks like this. I feel that it looks like a spider, lah. Right? So you see, got many layers of the what you call that magnetic field. And then take a look, you see the solar wind go where? Yes, the solar wind actually split out. You see not? They split out because why? Earth got the magnetic field, so actually we are protected. Understand or not? Yes, that's right. So they didn't the solar wind never really like straight away sapu us. If not, we are done already. Like bye bye. Sayonara. Yeah. Actually, I'm not so worried about CJ Moru. Okay. So it looks like a comet. Okay, anyway, everyone dies together, lah. 哎呀，你没有死的话，这样子你就开始新的那个什么咯，开始新的文明，你就做神了咯。Right? Okay. Now we take a look. The importance of magnetosphere is actually protecting Earth from being hit by charged particles. Second, protect living things from radiation or solar wind, which has X-ray. Lastly, it protects Earth from the pressure exerted by the solar wind. Okay, done. So we go to the work. Okay. Yes, that's right. So sheet. Hey, sheet means doesn't mean work like shit. Okay. Like shit. Okay. Yeah. So the next person will be hello. Oh, hello. 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 Hello.
了解吗？不要准备。
有个东西点上来了，要不打耳朵的话，我是对呀，伤到我那个，你不知道那个，不是吃那个那个好玩。
Hello. Yes. Ya betul. 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 Tepat lah, berapa lah? You datang je. Okey, boleh. Mana ada Bukit Rawon Jaya? Saya dekat Seng Heng. Dekat Seng Heng. Sama jalan dengan you lah. Sama jalan dengan you dekat Seng Heng tau. Kedai elektrik Seng. You datang saja. Anak I dekat bawah tunggu je. Okay, thanks. Okay, 来吧。来这个不，这个是倒水。那个这个我要注意到。来，这个是什么形状来的？看你是去。这个是刚才我们读的那些 phenomena。So 1号的这个是什么东西？这个叫做 prominence，因为它像拱门。prominence。OK， 然后第二的这个东西一点点凸出来的，这个是 flare 来的，所以叫做 solar flare。OK， 然后黑黑的 dot，这个是 sunspot。Yep. Okay, 子权 number 1 please.
快点。这里有直接讲话。不懂我玩的是电的那个比赛。
Solar wind, nuclear, fusion. 第二题，避开。Yes, existing group. OK， 然后接下来追。
the director next boss. Here, the years around the Earth. Okay.
So how is it? This is the interaction between the solar wind and the Earth's magnetic field. Okay. Yeah. 然后 interaction 不是产生黑子，就产生那个磁场磁层。该不是跟你讲麦那都是磁层啊？什么？
我想一下，
我可以理解你想笑，但是我不可以理解你想哭。来，
那你听了是
第二题，Alia, ramalkan keadaan yang akan berlaku. Predict the situation that will occur if the magnetosphere does not exist. Alia, are you there? Okay, tell me what happened if we don't have the magnetosphere. So the lives on the earth will are exposed to solar. 并且往上做来定。Very. 你叫他们全部来那个 physical class，我们就可以唱歌。
老师，一个开始就可以带来。
我只去那里训练。你要带去？你要带去？
没有钱。
下钱啦！我
我吃的一堆礼包。你生日礼物啊！我
没有啦，我先给他看看这样子先，因为我现在是这个今年他也补班，机想带他去。哎，谁 call 我？你几时？你多几？谢谢。你是ผมวัน谢谢。你去看，你去看。
我知道。
Huh? Just straight away give them and then no need to change already. 24 ringgit something 吗 I give it. 不是去？没有啊，有 discount voucher 吗？24块4毛半不了，小朋友。
哇
24块4毛半，你跟他讲 ，because got the what loyalty point。你跟他讲，所以你直接给他少了。好了，来接下来，哎呦我的妈呀！soalan this question number 2 wait this is not the question 啊。哎呦，这个很难看哦。第3题，第4题，哎呦，哎，这个我看不见呢，我跟你讲，我是看不见呢。等一下，这是，哎，这个我给你们 answer，婉容，这个是 solar flare 的，我是看不到清楚，一点点。OK， 好了，来这边，婉容来，婉容 are you there？which one? Magnetosphere, photosphere, or chromosphere? Magnetosphere, yes. Then this one is the layer situated below corona and can be only seen during the solar eclipse. Can I? 哎哎，哎，那个很饿的，要跟素一两个去，两个女生去。
那是什么？
嗯，那个脸是一素。Thank you。啊，给他啦，给他啦。对，你们是给了对。OK，好了，来，接下来，伟哲，Number Two A，come。啊，所以你去跟他 share 哪个？啊，两个 share，是两个 share。男生 sorry 啊，transport is which one？嗯，yeah，nice is a that great guesses。OK，好了，来 next，这个是数一，哎，千惠到你哦，答问题快点，要骂人了。
是什么？啊，是什么？这个是六的啊，工作变，嗯，哇，OK，哦，
那给你们一人一个，拿。
这样啊，
所以我要活动吗？好的，来，
你们看的
活动还有一个是，electron 啊，数一来 next。Name the 啊，name the name the spot name the spot X 啊，这个是什么？
是什么？
啊，什么东西？spot 对，OK，好了，来，厉害。哎，不是，子轩，sorry，叫错。他为什么比较安全？这大个 the temperature of what X？
这个东西听，这看没？你是我的，你这边是有了一桶鸡蛋哦，并没打关。
哎，这个便宜嘞，6.9毛9，你们要买进来。
你先，哎呀，
不理解，然后不知道是一单子里面来，
对点才有个谁？
因为
真是。
对呀，
对呀，
那我就不一样，
嗯，
老师享受美图的。
因为
那老师用左手吃饭那个擦饼。
嗯，对的，随便找，那边打工。哎，这会得力。哎，
还有第三题圣洁了。
对。
圣洁，我也快点。
Okay, the formation spot I is made by the magnetic cycle.
来个赛车什么赛车？
那
哎
cycle
，name this
这
cycle.
个是什么？
Number four. Number four. This one is 好了。Alia, are you there? State the relationship between the number of spot X on the surface of the sun and also the temperature of the earth.
Ủa, không cần. Ok. OK，
等一下，癌症来就是因为要吃东西了。
那我们吃白东样面，
觉得味道
不好，我是闻不到，就是往闻起。
我觉得比较很棒。
啊，享受美食过度。
不要讲出来，不要讲出来。
这个我们知道，但是不是中奖，两个碗，就那个继续点。
死，我们 live 这还没在听。
会，因为我可能知道不是中奖，
乱对吃，乱乱吃。
因为他讲你不是专门中奖，不能一个有点还有啊。
B1 马蓉，what will happen? B1
是啊，你还我每天吃啊，我每天吃啊，我
嗯，you may suffer gene mutation okay. Is exposed 我跟各种多朋友 rejection particles
一百块，不可以。可是几十还是挺对呀。是吧？
OK，它可能会有 cancer 因为它接触到很多这些 particles。
我是他们两个，现在就是另外一种的。
What is that?
是被骂吗？
Who 啊？
还是
Oh, gene mutation. Gene mutation means the DNA changes. Later number 2.
这有学问？
还没有。Later this one 那些。Who 啊？来，this one number 1. Okay, this one.
这是早上的。
Spot. That region visible on photosphere that. Wow. Okay. Number 2. 这个前辉，哎，前辉20，第二题，快，骂我一下。
还有
感受到不这样，就买点去这。你听得到我是蛮去这。
你慢慢想，太乖了，你这样听到按这个补习有才是。
这样积极的补习，是不是？
我越来越胖，越来越胖。
高兴点，不能老是
前辉，我交吧。
我
嗯。Actually, they discharge the magnetic energy stored in the sun. 没有东西啊，书没有写到啊。来，第3题，注意。good。也是要开 Facebook 来 live 啊。第4题来，之前。每一天的生活。
哦。
我答案是三跟四 granule 跟我们的 solar prominent。OK，第五题，很海，solar wind 啊，不是 solar one 啊，不要 solar one 啊，solar 没有9给你看了。Yes, telephone pintar。所以它开始用到 radio signal 啊，
只要有一个你的新的东西都会被干扰的。
注意
这样啊，
对，郑杰到你啊，那题错把它干你啊。
X and Y two involved of on the surface of the surface
X 是啥？
Y 是 solar flare X 是
对啊，是 prominent 的，因为它有个拱门起来，看到吗？这个是 transport。嗯嗯，啊，什么事情？什么事情？小姐，tu B 来。B Alia di sana tulis benar atau palsu? B ya, 7. This one B, true or false?
Yes.
That right? True.
哦，我是
Này, còn đúng hả? Còn đúng PE.
Earth is around the southward east axis of rotation.
Này, Tú. Wait, just question number 2. Wait, this question is what to be living here? Salah. Oh, yes, yes. Give me answer quick.我没有开 camera. Solar wind. Okay, and also earth magnetic field, yeah. Đấy, thứ sao? Ok, thế thôi nhỉ?
Yeah.
The everywhere. The everywhere is exposed to what? Solar wind, okay? Okay, next one more. The living things. Suffer from what? Gene mutation. Suffer gene mutation. Mutation.
Yeah. 是关键词。对呀，看看来，老师，我是不是在上课？ 哎，我们没事了，我们还没有什么上那个什么军，也是可以去那个军训，这是节目时间，
哎，去玩不了啊，什么？
然后说去当军人员，然后呢，
去玩不了，我都跟你们讲了，好严啊，马来西亚人。你们啊，这些人呐、是你看，现在像新加坡吹到每个 fit 这样子才可以。明白。
吗？
哦，
OK，还有 B，
第一个零
这个可以啊，这个可以啊。
啊，没有没有没有，
这个到那个注意，
嗯，注意，隔壁那个啊，子权了，
不是他的
注意啊，注意，
里边，
坐左边，注意嘞，注意在那不触不到神了。
注意啊，都没。
不要那个哦，sorry 啊，等一下，等一下，等一下，等一下，sorry，啊，这个来啊，第六题，sorry 啊，
这个比如可以是人家把身份证交上，是的，也意思把这个来什么叫发。
走了。第七题，子权。啊，100万啊，100万啊，我第五啊，我在第五线。A，好了，100万，100万，11，心里面有读到吗？第八题，等我找到给你100万啊，金凯，
100万，还有我，
那个不一定不是冰跟铁的，
哦，对，那个，那个，
第九题，春节，这题你说，哦，再的意思是影响人的形状。上技术，在讲什么？回答问题的技术要看住。我吃饱了还会唱歌。
那，好，
老边，讲个情况。
三杯，那，哦，哇，
看那个站的是不是？
我是原来我想做这个计划的是在。
Oh yeah, you feel it. This one is like shaped like this one is for me. And then was there like a little bit come out. Huh? B vào đúng không? Đúng. Đúng không? Đúng. Mà mình suy nghĩ mình sơ đấy, mà chạy. Này này, the temperature. Correct. Now next. Meaning of year à?
nè,
No.
bây giờ mình chỉ một số,
Last one. Yeah. Có đi hả?
No, sorry.
Okay, next person.小慧。
我的酒也有一
is
Magnetic.
fetus that contain sugars of solar that can be together between particles
Mm-hmm.
and uses as a
Yep, that's right.
Yay.
Maybe not. Good. Mm-hmm.
This is yeah, after that yeah.
举放后面啊，看我的表表。
你没有实力。
哎，第三题，哎，别不要跑第三题，你回答先。第三题你啊。那哎呀，子轩，sorry，你朋友不在，子轩回答。是啊。来。其实很大个，可是吃出来好像很。
扎起来的。
OK。
这个哎呦那个
公司跟通讯没有关系的，就是哪个是通讯的？公司跟没有通讯的跟没有通讯的有关系。啊，bukan ah, not ah. 没看。
对，那同学来了。天，你讲。
管你什么？
No, conversion 啊。
啊，肯定是 heat convection，你对。solar flare 呢？
我讲。
charge particle。别人答的都对了，自己答的就错了。prominent，对，下一个你的不要想太多了啊。答错了骂人呢，这题，哎呦，这题你错，哼，打一个亿，讲明显了，这题值1个亿。
What is the of magnetic? What is the meaning of
这个东西啊，这什么？学的东西，你看学什么？没呢？啊，没啊 ？Metosphere，OK，Thank you，你欠我们1个亿啊 ！Metosphere，你欠我们1个亿，我不管。点他这样买单啊，对咯，给他讲什么 support 哈，哎呦 ，OK，好了，来这个，哎呀，来啊，第三啊，阿丽亚有灯来。 This one just now we got answered before. Kita bentuk daripada apa?
Dia terbentuk dari mana?
Sorry. What am I doing? It is, it is formed from the interaction of what? Interaction between what? Between the solar wind and the earth magnetic field. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, see, this one is one wrong. Are you there, one wrong? Wrong. 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 Sorry, two. Waiter. Okay, what is the? What is the? Yeah. Yeah. Slowly. And then prevent the earth from being hit by charged particles. Huh? Okay. Bỏ đâu à? Off your mic. Bye, San. Waiter, this next question is yours, huh? 老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠，老鼠。
Yes.
Opi. Kita mesti kan?
哦，
这边没有少爷，你知道吗？除了你是少爷。
不是少爷了。
那你这怎么搞啊？负责洗厕所的。然后
那不得这样点？
我还要你领过去，还讲的是少爷。OK，好了，第三题 A 伟哲，来，what other？
越高点。
哎，里面有那个少爷，里面还有一个单词一个单词的。对的，对。No, we were just complaining. We were just commenting like Seng Jie is like Xiu Ye like that. So yeah, then suddenly I remember, oh yeah, oh, you're dance three, oh, you know. Only do work lah, Xiu Ye zai lah, mày à ha. Oh, no, this in Cantonese also don't know ah. Okay, 来，啊姐姐。Yeah, dark areas. Yeah, dark areas on the sun. Okay, caused by what? Caused by what? Lower temperature. Electromagnetic field. What? Okay, electromagnetic field. Okay. Magnetic field. What? Not yet finish yet. Oi, Richard, compared to their surrounding. Oh, yo. 2 marks, maybe you get A here. Now B1. Okay. Okay. 等一下手拉风光没有读到。那姐，这个我没有写到。你写完了没有？
Coba tingkain tahu.
Okay, so we are done already, yeah. So last part we have already is just the repetition already, yeah. Okay, let's repeat, Okay, lie. Next. So we are going for the space weather, huh? Okay, space weather. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5。这个我当然是 OK。分别，英文太差了。等一下我看，读完它啊，再看看它读不对的，加。大读啊，那个多我讲，这个讲这个看这个好像不错的吗？头长给下面。
Yeah. Hey, do Oh, okay. Please further describe the condition in the environment between the sun and the earth. Space weather occurs anywhere between the surface of the sun and the surface of the earth. The data collected on space weather is used to forecast the occurrence of coronal mass ejections, and the reasons behind this occurrences. Technology in orbit and the effect of space weather on Earth include formation of or aurora, interruption of navigation system, disruption of telecommunication system, failure of power grid, failure. Ano tuwa niya? Tuwa.
听看，好不好？多了。OK，读错5个字啊。OK，没了。OK，好了，我们的 space weather 它是我们所谓的太空天气了哈。So 它是一个形容我们的那个 space 宇宙的空间和状况the condition of the space environment So that is we're talking about between sun and the earth only. The rest of the places we don't think Hello， 太阳跟地球之间嘛OK， so and then it could happen on the surface of the sun and it could happen on the surface of the earth. Okay, understand? So the data collected by far now, we can only collect data because this thing is like we cannot control. Understand? We observe, we观察, and then we collect data. And then we do forecast. What's forecast? 就是预测. Why we need to do forecast? Because we only know when to hide the human. Understand? When to protect the human from the danger of these things. Understand? So we also So this space weather we predict by using what? Technologies in orbit and on the earth. What it means by technologies in orbit, my dear? No? Orbit 是什么? Orbit 是我们的那个轨道. So on the 轨道 we have what? Satellite, correct. Okay, so the space weather actually will give us some certain effects such as aurora. You know what's aurora? 极光南极光、北极光Okay. Second one, they will disrupt or interrupt our navigation system, meaning to say kacau your GPS Okay, or maybe your telephone punya signal. And also telecommunication system. Lastly, the failure of power grid. Yes, exactly. Okay, Tesla is it? OK，电飞机上面呢是 actually 他们是有很多的 system 的 ，meaning to say 它你可以 manual 操作 ，understand ？So not necessarily 它一定要 autopilot，那个是 danger，它 danger 是当它 autopilot。Same thing with Tesla，就 Tesla 老师曾经跟你们讲过是吗 ？autopilot 是很危险的，get 到了吗 ？Especially 吉隆坡那个 multiple 的天桥，对 multiple 的，对 multiple 不是他们 multiple 的天桥，很多层的天桥。知道了没有？他的 signal 乱了，他不知道他在哪里。你们试试看，在吉隆坡，你们看到很多天桥 layer 的时候，你们在走 layer 的时候是吗？你们看你的 GPS，它锁了，知道吗？所以在吉隆坡市中心， 叫 Tesla 不要开 autopilot，帮你死啊，死是你的死，老师 warning 过了。OK，好了，来 Aurora 啊，we take a look at Aurora 极光啊，极光this one，子权，这个烧电话不要跟他好，眼里只有那个女朋友，没有我的 size。嗯嗯。
Aurora.
嗯哼，嗯，Borealis。OK，好了。So during 那个 solar flare 的时候啊，是不是我们的太阳呢会产生这个宇宙射线？啊，宇宙射线跟光线一样的哈，except that 它没有看到，我们眼睛看不到光。OK，this one is actually last chapter we learned. This is radioactive ray. Understand? Okay. So it comes to Malaysia. Not comes to Malaysia. It comes to the Earth. Okay. So it contains proton and electron. Proton 跟 electron 是什么？
那个
嗯
正负的，
嗯
正负是
啊，正负的那个东西在你的 atom 里面啊。Okay, so when these particles enter the Earth atmosphere, they collide with gas molecule in the atmosphere. Correct? So the collision 是什么意思？相撞 okay. So this cosmic ray hits the what do you call that? Hits our sky lah, correct? Hits the clouds, so it causes the color light. 有谁要去看的吗？北极光？
我要再看。
嗯，哦，南极光。可以在那，哎，你们知道在哪里可以看到吗？
哦，
平安北路山上。OK 啊。Next one is navigation system. Navigation system 指听起来。
yes, can disturb the atmosphere and cause a geomagnetic storm on Earth. The magnetic storms affect the satellites in low Earth orbit. Consequently, the satellites will produce inaccurate information and disrupt navigation systems such as global navigation system.
OK。OK，好的。So 这个 coronal mass ejection 啊，CMES 啊，就是讲说那个我们的地区那个太阳啊，suddenly 有很多东西喷出来，看到了吗？这个 suddenly got a lot of things ejected out。OK 啊，可以吗？That one will cause what? Geomagnetic storm. You're quite far away actually. Understand. So this geomagnetic storm will affect the satellite thing. Something like that. That's why, yeah, the first two planets, nothing living there. Okay. So geomagnetic storm will affect your satellite. Okay. So, yeah, and of course they will catch out your GNSS, which is your GPS. And then telecommunication system. With the telecommunication system rate. Mm-hmm. So like geomagnetic storm 呢会disturb 你的 ionosphere。什么是 ionosphere？我们 Earth 的其中一个 layer，大气层里面的一个 layer 哈。为什么叫 ionosphere？Because it contains ions. Understand? So when it is disturbed, then it cannot reflect high frequency radio signal. 知道为什么吗？平时你知道为什么你会收到 radio 吗？Now you know why you can receive radio signal on your car because of this layer. It can reflect the radio signal. So once this geomagnetic storm comes, right, it cut out the layer, then we cannot get our signal. Okay, Alia, last one. Power state failure. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this power failure is like your geometric storm will produce electric current in your power line. 知道什么是 power line 吗？电缆啊，电缆啊，the one transfer the electric to your house one 啊。So this current will cause overheating in your transformer because why? Too much power already. So you have power outage. Okay? No more power outage, right? Means no electricity lah. Okay, let's go. Okay, 还有20分钟啊，hopefully 我们可以小步掉这课啊。
What practice now?
Okay, 9.2. So question number 1, Warong. Yeah. So it's either the phenomenon, or maybe the conditions that occurs in the space between the Earth and the Sun. Goes here.
Yeah, that's a control. What I wanted to
Okay, wait. Wait. Complete the chart below with the effects of space weather and the Earth. Oh, correct. Write down the 4 thing. You all just learn, huh? Okay, I don't write it. You all know where to write, right? Hello. What?
That's
This 4 thing. Okay, right now. Apa kabar?
Communication. Yes. Listen, get better out of it. Sample when host when Tuesday customer. Kita tak spend banget ya. Ya, oke. Yang jauh mau.
Okay, 好了吗？搞定啊。Next person. OK，好了，来，接下来第4题，这位。
What is the background of our new down? I don't know.
哪一个 Galactic Cosmic Ray， 这个一定是影响我们的，刚才我们读到了 Power Grid 咯，最后我们讲到的是 Power Grid 咯，那个 Electrical Supply 的啊。OK， 好了，这边没了。3 last this one。 OK，来两个 important 什么？水
Safe.
This one is to predict, coronal mass injection and to study the occurrence of natural phenomena on the sun's surface. Okay, this is why we need to study this.
哎，先别说，语法，直接报那种哇，旁边那个，那个学校的那个，是一样。
好啦，可以了吗？来，接下来这边没有了。第二题 A，我先快读 A，数一来。OK，子璇。OK，可以。So 这边两个formation of aurora，还有这个 disturbance to navigation system circle these two answer，OK？子璇，听牌。So you say yes or no? Can you see that or not? No. You cannot see aurora. You cannot see the 极光。No? Okay. You say Malaysia is located near the equator. You know where's equator, right? Garisan Katulistiwa. Equator. Okay. Chinese called 赤道 lah. So the light from Borealis occurs in the North Pole and can only be seen in a very, very dark. Okay. Okay, C. Which one is you?
这个是讲一个 shape as vegetable.
Solar wind. Solar wind shape like what? Coal? Comet. Its shape is like comet. Okay, done?
Oh.
Comet, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This one done already, Okay, number 10. Alia? Mhm. B? What? B is tsunami. Oh, no. I think, go and see. It's interaction and GPS system. Hello, how goes? Okay, 9. Number 4, Warong. Warong? Warong ở đây. Bị chơi đây. Okay, come. Mhm. Yeah. And this is okay. Wizard next. Oh, yo, this one's so simple, lah, Wizard. Mm-hmm. Okay, other line, next person. Can I?
This weather. Extra right now. Is it because of the networking skills? I don't know.
Hmm?
Is it because of the geomagnetic storm?
Electromagnetic storm, correct? Right. Storm. Good. What? Interfere? With the satellite function. 哎，快点写。What is satellite?
微型，
嗯
温馨。
不要多。
嗯，对。可以。是这个。哇，那个卖猪仔的，那个网友免费给他飞机票啊，飞去，结果心脏病发的。没那个卖猪仔，你们知道是卖去那个缅甸的吗？这个 case 最近这个 case 是他的飞机票都不是他自己买的，一个网友啊送给他一张飞机票啊，飞去泰国，结果就被抓起来了，往来的那个进28岁。
哇，
然后他们就找到他了，要救他回来了的，你知道吗？在缅甸的那个 police station，他讲什么心脏病。是
Samsung.
I don't know.
Discovery.
还有 delivery 呢？这样奇怪的事。等一下咦，你也来了？等一下啊，然后你为什么没有？你去坐 Ivan 旁边啊？是你耶。Hello，好，来下一题，这个到谁啊？第四题，素影到了没有？好吧。四题，of the magnetic field C。OK，来，子权
原法
which is formed from the interaction between 你 message C 看好 OK 没有？然后如果不 OK 下睡觉。诶，我好像哦，诶，等一下，好像不对了，等一下啊。sorry，这个不对呀、sorry 啊，直接跟他割掉就好了。写在你心里，写在你脑海里。好的，来，接下来第二，State 4 effects of the solar storm on Earth。这个是到谁？林海。好，刚才你们知道的那四个，这题我不答。啊，第三啊，第三 you study 啊，the fourteen 啊，aurora 啦，interaction 啦，of telecommunication system, navigation, radio broadcast, and electrical substation system 啊。OK， fast。Okay, next one, last question already. The diagram below shows the formation of aurora on the Earth. Okay, so license here, this is yours. Yeah. Okay, this one is because your solar flare releases charge particles. So this forms solar wind. Stand up. So your solar wind. Okay. So what happened is part of not all of them are charge particles. Yes. Which what? Oh, which form? 没有 which form? Solar wind. Solar wind. Okay, which form? Solar wind. And then part of the charge particles actually reach where? Reach the north and south pole. So when the particles okay okay when they're charged particles hit the air particles Okay, so you need to have these charged particles hit the air and then. Okay, 快点了。